Hi everyone, and welcome back from our 5 days off for Thanksgiving break. We have a couple more hard works a week to do, and then we get another break for Christmas. So that's something great to look forward to. This is the homework video for Monday, 11/30/15, and there will be several secret messages, so watch and listen carefully so you get everything down that you're supposed to. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is remind you of how to graph equations that are in slope-intercept form, because that way if you've completely forgotten, you can watch this first part of the video, then you can turn it off and you can try the homework on your own, because you're not going to get smarter by cheating. Alrighty, so the first thing I have to do is put the y-intercept here, and here's my y-intercept, and if this is 0, then this is 1, 2, 3, so there's my y-intercept where the line is crossing the y-axis. And then the second thing I have to do is from that point I have to go down 2, -2, and to the right 3, down 2 and to the right 3. So I went down 1, 2, and to the right 1, 2, 3. And I could do that again, down 2 and to the right 1, 2, 3. And then if you can go down 2 and to the right 3, you can also go up 2 and to the left 3. So I showed you that as well. Up 1, 2, and to the left 1, 2, 3. So this is an example of how to first graph the y-intercept and then use the slope to graph other points from there. If you haven't tried the homework on your own now, I want you to turn the video off and try the homework on your own. Only continue if you already did the homework on your own. And good job for those of you who did it on your own and you're not cheating. Way to go. Okay, problem 3 said, consider the following equation, y equals 2/3 x minus 1. What's the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept is the one that does not have a variable with it, and so that would be our -1. And what is the slope? Well, the slope is the one that's in front of the variable x, and so that would be 2/3. It says graph the line now, using what you wrote in the first two questions to help you. It's trying to remind you to start with this, and then go up 2 and to the right 3, or you could go down 2 and to the left 3. So here I go. I'm going to put a coordinate plane on here. Whoopsies. And then it was -1. I'm going to make my dot nice and big so it's really easy to see. -1. And then remember that I said since it's 2/3, I can go up 2 and to the left 3, 1, 2, 3. Or I can also go down 2, sorry, that'd be up. 2/3 would be up 2 and to the right 3, sorry. Let's try that again. Up 2 and to the right 1, 2, 3. Or I could also go down 2 and to the left 1, 2, 3. It's going to be right here. The points aren't exact, but good enough. And go, and please use a ruler to connect. Don't be freehanding it. Use a ruler. Okay, so again, I went from -1 up 2 and to the right 3, 2/3, and I also went down 2 and to the left 3. Okay, this problem is your first secret message. Mrs. Mixer paid a $100 deposit. This is not on your homework worksheet. This is one of the ways I'll know that you actually watched the video and were listening. And $20 per hour for a wedding photographer. I want the equation for this situation, the slope, and the y-intercept. And for these two, I want what the slope means in terms of the situation and what the y-intercept means in terms of the situation. Turn the video off now and give it a try on your own. Don't copy. You don't get smarter by doing that. Turn off the video. Okay, the equation is 100 plus 20h, h stands for hours, equals c. The 100 is the y-intercept. The 20 is the slope, or coefficient. The h is the independent variable, hours, and the C is the dependent variable, total cost. So for slope, I wrote $20 every hour, because you have to tell me what it means in terms of the situation. Every hour it costs $20 for the photographer to be there taking pictures. And the y-intercept is the 100. Notice there's no variable by it. And that 100 means that at no hours she pays $100. It's like a deposit for the guide, the startup cost. Okay, on to the homework assignment. Make sure you have this down, and I hope you weren't copying. That's lame. Okay, number 4, graph 3x plus 1. What is the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept in this case is 1. Whoops. 1, and what is the slope? It is 3. It can also be written as 3 over 1, so that it's more easily for you to see the rise is 3, and the run is 1. Always start with the y-intercept. So I'm going to put 1 right here, 1. I have to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. Put 1 there. Whoopsies, that didn't get on there at all well. Up 1, 2, 3, and over 1. Wait, it's hard to get these. There we go. And then I'm also going to show you that I can go down 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1. Okay, and then, whoops, I went down more than 3. Try that again. Down 1, 2, 3, into the left 1. And then we'll connect. Please use a ruler. Okay, so y-intercept is 1. Y-intercept is where the line is crossing this y-axis. It's crossing right here at 1, 0, 1. And down 3 and to the left 1, or up 3 and to the right 1 shows the slope of 3. Next problem. This one says graph y equals negative 3/4. What is the y-intercept? The y-intercept in this case is 0 because there's no plus something or minus something, so that tells me the y-intercept is 0. And what is the slope? The slope is negative 3/4, which means you can go down 3 and to the right 4, or you can go up 3 and to the left 4. So first we have to put a point at 0. Whoops, it's not very good. Okay, and then I can go down 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. It's hard doing this without a stylus. There we go. I just want to double check and make sure I did it right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And I can also go up 3 and to the left 4. I can switch them around. Up 3 and to the left 4. Up 1, 2, 3 and to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and connect. Okay. For the last secret message, I would like you to tell me how you think you are doing on slope and y-intercept in context. I just want a quick sentence telling me whether you feel like you can always tell me what the slope and the y-intercept are correctly and what they mean in terms of the situation. Give yourself a rating on that from, how about if we go from 0 to 10, 0 meaning you don't get it at all, and 10 meaning I really understand well how to identify the slope and the y-intercept and tell you what they mean in terms of the situation. Okay, have a great night.